Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing you all the motivation and inspiration to help kickstart your day. This is your quote for today. It's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. You know, you can be the biggest and the baddest out there, but if you've got no conviction about you, what's the point? With anything you want, unless you really got some drive and urge within you, you're just not going to get there. You just won't get very far with what you want to do. You need to somehow find that fight about you, find the drive you need, and then chase that dream right down.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.